wherever we go, we have to find some kind of beautiful, calm kittens and cats. This one is probably a mom. There's a lot of cats around here, so she's probably the boss of this place. She doesn't like to be picked up at all. We already tried and she almost killed us, so. Oh, are you okay? Here you go, baby. She's such a sweet.
She's gonna beat us. I can't believe we never looked properly.
She's such a sweet. There's other kittens around here, but I don't think they like us. But this one, she's probably old enough to know that she can trust us. She's such a sweet baby. Her little nose. You should. She know. Oh, he looked at me.
Yeah. And she's loving the love.
Her paws look like Domino's
Because they have a
paws.
cat at home, you know. And they miss him.
You know what? I really love this cat. But we're gonna come back for her and I'm gonna take her home. See you guys next time.
These kids are lovely.